Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn the meet function and the len function in Microsoft Excel. Basically, the meet function extract characters from the middle of a word or from a string or from a sentence. It extracts according to your criteria. It extracts words from a sentence or from a string. So let's see how it works. To write the formula, as I told you earlier as well, press equal sign, write mid, select the cell from where you want to extract the values, comma. Now we have to define from which character onward you want to extract the characters. So let's say we are going to start from the 7th onward, and how many words you want to extract. Let's say 5. The formula will now start from the 7th character and it will extract 5 characters onward from the 7th character. Close the parenthesis, press enter. Now you see the formula has extracted the values after leaving 7 characters from the start and has picked up 5 values after that. So copy down your formula. So this is all about meet function. So the second one is len. Basically, the len function refers to the length of the string, the length of the cell. How many characters are there in the cell? So write len, select the cell, close the parenthesis, press enter. So there are 11 characters in the given cell. So for now, just understand that the len function defines the length of the cell, it defines the number of characters in the cell. Moving onward, in advanced videos, I will explain you what are the usage of the len and both the meet functions, how we can use them in nested formulas with other functions, or how we can use them in reports. So this is all for today. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.